Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenchology. I'm Stormy and today I'm going to help you get a handle on things by showing you how to replace the exterior door handle on a 1998 Mazda B4000. As usual, I get all of my products off of Amazon, so the affiliate links will be in the description box below. Please use those links as I may earn a very small commission at no extra cost to you. You just get to support Wrenchology and I appreciate that more than you'll ever know. All right, let's move on to the tools necessary to complete this job. Okay, so the tools that are necessary to perform this repair aren't very extensive. They're just a little bit particular. We're going to want a flashlight to see what we are doing, a hammer, and a punch that'll fit inside the rivet head. I'm using a 3/32 inch punch, a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, so that way we can drill through when we're done, a Phillips head screwdriver, a replacement door handle that you already verified is the same one as yours. There is a note of caution though that I had to go out and get replacement hardware because these door handles prefer to be riveted in. Okay, step one. We're gonna be removing these 2 screws that are in here, unplugging the electrical portions if you've got it, taking this black plastic piece off, but not the door handle. Then there is a screw right here and a screw down here that'll let us take the whole door panel up and off because it is on a hook system. Don't go prying on it. It goes up and off. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so adding a tool, very small screwdriver to help me get these connectors disconnected. An easier way that I'm going to do this is by pressing on the big rusty clips on the outside to help push it through, and then that way I'll be able to actually access the 2 clips on each side so I can actually disconnect it. I know I said actually like a million times, but that's actually what we're going to do. Voila. And 2. So the next step is to take out this screw and this screw, but somebody's already beat me to it. So remove that screw if you've got it, and I'm gonna remove that screw. Why did I do it like that, you ask? Because I'm pretty sure it's stripped out on the inside, but I'll cross that path in a little bit. Now to actually remove the whole door panel up and off. Remember, it's on hooks, not clips. I just thought about it, so as I'm moving on to the next step, which is going to be to peel back this dust shield, that's also how you get to and replace any switches if they go bad on you. So like I said, the next step is going to be peel back this dust shield only as much as you need it to. This is a 20-year-old car. I am a firm believer in these dust shields. A lot of people just rip them off and they don't care about them, but I am all for keeping dirt and debris and moisture, and it is the best thing you can do for your car to try to protect it and keep the rust away. So peel back about as much as you need. Just start with this corner. We're going to go inside here, and we're not going to disconnect the door lock rod from the outside handle. We're actually going to follow it in, and there will be a little white clip that's going to be in about this area, and we're going to unhook it, swing it out without breaking it, hopefully, and then that way we can start drilling out, or punching out and drilling out the rivets that are holding the exterior door handle in. There it is. See it? It's a little bit to the right. Ugh, sorry for the shaky camera, folks. So you're just gonna, here's my finger. Here, I'm gonna push it, clip it off, swing it over, and then pull the rod towards you to undo it. Yay! A word to the wise. So we punch the rivets out underneath through the outside. Just make sure that after you unhook the door lock rod, or the door handle rod, that you don't actually close the door, because how are you supposed to get back inside? Luckily my other side's unlocked, so I'm not worried about it, just letting you know. So these are the two rivets that we're going to be punching through from the outside. You see the little head on the inside. You want your punch to be pretty much that exact same size, if not a tiny bit smaller, and just one real good punch right through on both. So disregard the terrible lock. We're also changing that while I'm doing this, but that's not what this video is about. So I'm going to punch these through. Voila. Now we are going to take our 1/4-inch drill bit and our drill and drill on the inside until the rivet falls out. That is the head of the rivet. Ugh. Okay. So once you get your old faulty door handle out, or crappy, whatever the reason you're replacing it, we need to remove the rod from this and install it on our new one. I usually put a little grease on things like that to be able to lubricate, slide things in really easily. So I'm gonna do that. All right, now that we have the new door handle in, I'm going to screw it down with my hardware that I bought. Alright, they don't need to be terribly tight, just good and tight. Okay, now that the door handle is secured, we are going to reattach the rod that we just took off with that little white clip that's hard to see on the inside. Another thing that I like to do anytime I'm repairing anything, working on anything, whatever, I like to leave things nicer than they were before I got them. So when I first peeled this back, there was dirt everywhere. I've already rubbed it down with a towel to get the dirt off there, so hopefully this will stick a little bit better. So that's just my tech tip of the day, I suppose. So once you get your lock rod up top lined up, make sure all of your little hooks are set in place and just smooth it in. All right, let's put the little black plastic piece back on. Once you have your connectors pulled through, you can go ahead and put our 2 screws in right here. Oh, no, we can't. Remember, if you've got a screw right there, make sure you put a screw back right there. I'm actually gonna try to find a screw real quick. So, uno momento. Again, I like to leave things better than how I found them. The lock switch goes on the bottom connector and the window switch goes on the top connector.